guys? Mike Garrick back with more mental toughness, high performance nutrition, and ways to move into action. All right, today we're going to be talking about some mobility. So annually lately, what I've been doing is I've been dropped off way back over here by the weather station, the weather tower, and then I walk across the ridge line, which is about 4 miles or so, and then I shoot down one of these really steep ridges, and then I meet up with a car that I had dropped off. Long story short, when you're hiking down really steep terrain or uneven terrain, a lot of your hip stabilizers, like up here, your TFL, your glute min and med, all these, your external rotators, they're trying to prevent your knee from buckling in like this and really causing some damage. And in doing so, they get super gristly and tight, and then they pull on this band right here. See if you guys can see that IT band that goes down and connects into the side of your knee. And when it does that, it gets crazy tight, pulls on that, and then starts to cause that lateral knee pain that so many of us experience when we're hiking downhill. So something you can do to prevent that, but also if it starts to happen, something you can do to help with that. So you guys have seen that figure 4 stretch where basically you cross one of your legs over the other one and you pull on your leg. And let me see, I'll show you real quick. Basically you sit down like this and like this, you know, like you're sitting and you're almost gonna cross your legs, right? And then you can pull your knee up like that. So it stretches all these muscles we were talking about out. But there's something else I wanna show you guys today that you can do. That's a good stretch, but there's something else that's awesome too. So there's something called a voodoo band. And if you look down here on my knee, let's see if you can see that, right? So what I've done is I've wrapped this voodoo band around my knee like this. And what that does, that compresses all the tissues there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through some movements, like some squats, things like that, or go down into a squat, like so, and just hang out here. And what it does is it causes what's called flexion gapping. And so what it's gonna do is it's gonna open up this joint a little bit, and it's going to create some slack on the outside where that IT band is pulling and causing that knee pain. So it's super cool. If you started experiencing some knee pain, make sure you have one of these in your pack. It's super light and they're fairly cheap. I think it's $20 for a whole set. Do both legs, 2 minutes, and see if that helps you out.